Meaning of hypotaxis.
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 Hypotaxis. Hypotaxis refers to the use of subordination, or the construction of sentences using hierarchically arranged clauses, to express meaning. This means that hypotaxis involves creating complex sentences by adding more clauses to basic sentence structures. It allows for the expression of more nuanced ideas and can be used to create a variety of rhetorical effects. Examples of hypotactic language include academic writing and legal documents. In summary, hypotaxis is a linguistic tool that enables us to convey complex information and ideas through multi-layered sentences.